Hey, this is Amy. At Foxhound Bee Company, we make a lot of candles, and it's one of my favorite things that I get to do when I'm there. We use 100% pure beeswax. It smells amazing, and all of our candles are made out of that. It's a great candle because it burns very cleanly and it burns longer than most candles because it's very dense. What I'm making here are votive refills. These can go into your little glass votive jars if you have them, or they can burn by themselves. We make them in this metal mold that has spike through it that wick can go through, and that's what I'm doing here, is taking those out. And then what I'm doing now is sort of cleaning them up on the edges, because sometimes there'll be little crumbs on the edges, and I can just smooth those out. I like to pour the wax at about 150 degrees or maybe 155, but definitely it seems like they set up better when you pour them at a cooler temperature and they don't get stuck in the mold. If they do get stuck in the mold, you put them in a freezer to get it out, or sometimes you can heat it back up and get it out that way. We have a lot of different kinds of candles, and you should check us out. Check out our website, or if you're local, you can come by the store and see all the different kinds of beeswax candles that we make. They smell amazing, and you'll be really happy with them if you get some.